Okay, picture this. You're knee-deep in budgeting, trying to juggle bills, subscriptions, and that nagging feeling that your money is just disappearing. You've heard whispers of this magical app, PocketGuard, promising to tame your finances. You've got it on your phone, it's great, but you're thinking, man, this would be so much easier on a bigger screen. You fire up your laptop, type in PocketGuard web, and crickets. Sound familiar? You're not alone. The internet is buzzing with this question: can you use PocketGuard on a computer? It's a simple query, but the answer, like many things in personal finance, is a little more nuanced than a straight yes or no. We live in a world where everything is cross-platform. We expect seamless transitions from our phones to our desktops. We want the flexibility to manage our lives, including our money, wherever we are. So, the idea of an app solely confined to a mobile device seems, well, a little archaic. PocketGuard, with its sleek interface and In My Pocket feature, has rightfully earned its place as a budgeting powerhouse. It links your accounts, categorizes your spending, and gives you a clear snapshot of your available funds. It's fantastic for on-the-go tracking, but what about those moments when you need a more comprehensive overview? When you want to analyze trends, export data, or simply enjoy the comfort of a full-sized keyboard and monitor? That's where the frustration sets in. You search, you click, and you realize there's no official PocketGuard web app. No desktop version. No browser access. Just the app, living exclusively on your smartphone. Why? That's the million-dollar question. Some speculate it's a matter of development priorities. Others point to security concerns. Managing financial data in a browser environment can introduce complexities and vulnerabilities. Whatever the reason, the reality remains, PocketGuard is mobile only. But don't despair just yet. There are few workarounds, though they're not perfect. You could, for instance, use an Android emulator on your computer. These programs create a virtual Android environment, allowing you to run mobile apps on your desktop. However, this method can be resource-intensive and requires some technical know-how. It's not exactly a plug-and-play solution. Alternatively, you could explore other budgeting tools that do offer web access. There are plenty of alternatives that provide similar features to PocketGuard, with the added benefit of a desktop interface. This might mean switching platforms, which can be a hassle, but it's a viable option if web accessibility is a must-have for you. Ultimately, the lack of a PocketGuard web version forces you to weigh your priorities. Is the app's mobile-first functionality enough, or do you need the flexibility of a desktop interface? It's a personal decision, and there's no right or wrong answer. So, to answer the initial question directly, no, you cannot use PocketGuard on a computer in its native form. You're limited to the mobile app. And while workarounds exist, they come with their own set of challenges. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.